This video shows the line scan function of the DG813 pipe laser that can be used for beam alignment without the spot finder during the second day setup. Quick press of the E-Enter button at the remote control shows the battery status of the laser and the RC803. Press and release the M button to enter the menu. Then use the plus/minus and left-right arrow buttons to select Line Scan. Press the E button to start the line scan function. The beam starts moving automatically to the left and right limits, which will be indicated with a moving black block on the display. When the beam crosses the target, stop the movement with a quick press of the ESC Escape button. Use the left-right buttons for final beam adjustment to the bullseye center.